Hello children, in my previous video, I told you about the process of photosynthesis, that is the process by which green plants make its food. Okay, now we'll study more about plants. What you all know about all the parts of a plant, that root, stem, leaves, flower, branches, etc. You all know. But if I'll ask you, what are the things that we get from plant? Okay, what are the things that we get from plant? So, things that we get from plant to eat. ठीक है? Things we get from plants. Okay, that we use to eat as a food. Okay, so you can say that we get cereal grains, we get cereals from it. Okay, we get fruits from it, we get vegetables from it. Okay, we get fourth one, we get oils from it, we get spices from it. Okay, so and many more. Many a time we eat leaves also in case of a plant. Cereal grains, these are mostly the seeds, cereal grains like wheat, rice, maize. These are all seeds of a plant that we use to eat. Okay, cereal grains. Then fruits and pulses you can add. Pulses also you can add here. Pulses. Okay, so fruits. There you can add many fruits. Every day we take food like mango, then like guava we take, papaya we take, oranges we take. Okay, then so you can write three or four names here even. So mango, guava, papaya. You can write a fruit of your choice there. Then vegetables we take. Many vegetables are there: spinach, then ladyfinger, then cabbage, cauliflower, right? Cabbage, etc. Okay, then oils. Many seeds of plants they provide, means you extract oil from them, like groundnut oil. Okay, groundnut seeds are there that provides you oil. Groundnut. Then you are having mustard seeds that provide you mustard oil. You are having, and so many, right? Soybean also seeds also. Then spices, you are having cloves there, cumin there. Okay, asafoetida there. Many are there. Okay, cloves. They are all plant products. And then cumin, asafoetida, etc. Then among pulses they are protein rich ones. Pulses, all dals comes in that. This one. Okay, all means they are protein rich. They are protein rich. And all dals, जितनी भी हम दालें खाते हैं, all dals, whether it's of मूंग और चने की दाल, or it may be अरहर की दाल, whatever, all these are pulses. They are protein rich ones. So these are the things that we get, and many more also, but these are the common ones that we get from plants. Okay. Now next we'll see do we eat only the fruits of a plant, or means which part of plants are being consumed by us? Okay, so let's check that. In case of a plant, in some of the plants we take fruits of that, parts of plants that we eat. Okay, that we eat as a food. In some we use their fruit as a food. Okay, in some we eat. In some plants we used to consume leaves of them, and in some other we may take roots of a plants are also taken as a food. Okay, in some it may be stem, in some it may be flower, or we may use to eat seeds of some plant. Okay, so let's take example of these. So fruit, again you can take banana is a fruit. Okay, mango is a fruit. Orange you can write, and many more you can write. Okay. Now leaves. There are some plants whose leaves are taken by us as a food. Okay. The common example is spinach. This one. Okay. Lettuce you can say. Lettuce leaves. Methi leaves you can take. Right. Root now. So radish that you eat. Carrot that you eat. Beetroot. As a salad we use all these three things. We are using it as a salad, right? Sweet potatoes, they are all the root part of a plant. Then stem. Okay, so potato is a stem, it's a tuber potato. Okay, ginger we used to eat. Onion we used to eat. That is also a stem, right? Then flower. Banana flower is eaten, है ना? Banana flower. Then you can say cauliflower. Cauliflower. You can write broccoli. Broccoli also. And in case of seeds, yeah, we are having many oil seeds because we consume oil, and oil is you are obtaining it from seeds. So all oils, है ना? बहुत सारे oils हैं that we use, and then all cereal grains. Wheat is a seed, rice is a seed. So all cereal grains comes in this. Okay, so in this way we had written. They may ask you question. Name two plants whose leaves are used as a food. Name two plants whose stem is used as a food. Okay, name two plants whose flower we take as a food. So you should know examples of all these. Okay, now if your mother wants to cook kheer for you, right? If she wants to cook kheer for you, okay, what she'll do? She'll collect all the things that is needed to make kheer. What she is preparing? She is preparing kheer. Okay, now what she'll do? She'll collect all the things that she needs to make this. Okay, so the things that you need to make any food, that is the ingredients. Okay, so what she'll do? She'll collect all the ingredients. She'll collect all the ingredients. I-N-G-R-E-I, ingredients. D-I-E-N-T-S, ingredients. What do you mean by ingredients? Ingredients means all the things, all the material that you need to make any food. Okay, किसी food को prepare करने के लिए. So what do you mean by ingredients? I'll write it here. All the substance that you need to make that food. Okay, to make that food. किसी भी food को बनाने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले उसके ingredients पता होने चाहिए. Only then we are able to make. When you buy some ready-made foods from market, like you are taking chocolates or you are buying biscuits from there. So on the wrapper you can see there. At the bottom you can see ingredients written there, means what they had used to make that thing. Okay, so ingredients is all the substance that we need to make any food item. So what your mother is preparing here? Kheer. So let me write all the ingredients that is needed to make a kheer. Okay, the most important is rice. Okay, the most important ingredient is rice. What else you need? You need sugar. Okay, it's a sweet dish, so you need sugar also. Then you need water is extra. Now water bhi हमें चाहिए, and at the same time you need dry fruits there also. Okay, like आप काजू डाल लेते हो, किशमिश डाल लेते हो, right? बादाम डाल लेते हो, पिस्ता डाल लेते हो. So rice is the main thing. Rice and sugar you need along with water. Water is again a thing that you need to make it. Okay. Now, so I had written these are the main things that you need to make a kheer. Okay. And sometimes you use saffron also, color also. But these are the main things. Now let's see what are the source of this. ये क्या इनके क्या source हैं. Okay, source क्या है इसका? हम क्या बना रहे हैं? हम खीर बना रहे हैं. Okay, हम खीर बना रहे हैं. हमने यहाँ क्या लिखा? We had written all the ingredients that we need to make a kheer. Now I'll see what are the source of that, whether it came from a plant. So is it a plant product or is it a animal product? So rice, you get it from plant, so it's a plant product. Source is plant. Sugar कैसे बनता है? Sugar cane plant से बनता है. Okay, so sugar cane plant, again it's a plant, it means. Okay, then next is dry fruits. All dry fruits, like maybe it's almond or kaju or kishmish or pistas, whatever, they are all plant products. Okay, then water is from water bodies, underground water, tap water. Okay, so we have to see the main ingredients, whether that came from a plant one or that came from an animal, and what's the source of that food. And the source of rice is plant, the source of sugar is plant. Okay, plant again, dry fruits, plant again. Now let's and at the same time you need milk also. Okay, you need milk also. I forget that. You need milk also. It's the main thing. How I have forgotten this. So milk is an animal product. Milk is an animal product. So, and if you add water, you can. So rice, sugar, dry fruit and milk is the main product that you use, ingredients that you use to make a kheer, and you will have a delicious kheer after cooking it. Okay. So in this way, they may give you the name of any food item like idli, sambar idli. So you can write first of idli and then you can write of sambar. Okay, two things you have to prepare differently, right? So first you can write of idli. So let's check what to write in case of idli. If you want to cook a idli there. Okay, now my next item is idli. Okay, if you have seen your mother preparing idli for you, you might have seen that she has to prepare a lot. A day before she has to prepare. Okay, what she is taking? She is collecting the ingredients to make it. And what she needs to make idli only. I'm not talking about sambar. I'm talking about idli. So what she is using? She is using urad ki dal. That is dal. She is taking urad dal. You can say. Okay. So ingredients is urad dal, and she is taking rice. Okay. And sometimes we use methi seeds also. हम कभी-कभी मेथी की seeds भी इसमें use करते हैं. Methi seeds also we use it. So these two are the main ingredients that we use in case of making idli. Okay. So what we are preparing? We are preparing idli. So the ingredients are, these are the main ingredients. Now let's check what is the source. So urad dal, again it's a plant product. Rice, again it's a plant product. Okay, and methi seeds, again it's a plant product. So in this way you can see the things that you need to make a food, what is their source. Okay, and if you know the source, you can add from which part you have obtained, whether that is a seed of a plant, or is it a leaf of a plant, or is it a fruit of a plant. That also you can write if you want. Okay, so in this way we can write the ingredients even. You can write of sambar also. So in sambar, what will be the ingredients? Let's orally talk about it. So you need dal there, you need many vegetables there. You add many vegetables there. At the same time, onion you add, garlic you add, then coriander leaves you add there. Then garlic I told you. Then dals and many vegetables you use to, and then salt also you are using. Okay? And salt, what is the source of it? You get it from ocean. अब salt जो है वो salty water, saline water को evaporate करके you obtain it. But that's not a plant or animal product. We are mainly talking about plant and animal product. So the thing that you get here, write all the ingredients and then write what is the sources of that ingredient, from where you get that, what is the source of that ingredient. In this way you can write any answers if asked in your exam. Okay, so tomorrow we'll study about the animal products. Bye.